Namaste, dear friends. This is Geny Caloisi from Che Yoga and Ayurveda Wellness, coming to you again from the kitchen. And first of all, I wanted to remind you that today is the end of the early bird ticket price for the Yoga Day Reconnect, a Yoga Day retreat by the sea. This is going to happen on the 27th of June, and we're going to learn about the summertime according to Ayurveda, about your unique making, and we're going to learn how to cope with the summer. We're also going to have lovely yoga stretches. We're going to do the summer solstice challenge, which consists on attempting to do 108 sun salutations. But you don't have to do that many. We will have 90 minutes to work together as a community and try to cleanse the body, cleanse the mind, and surprise ourselves by doing something unique and something outstanding. And why am I in the kitchen? I am making a cooling peppermint and lemon balm drink. So in the summer, you get hot, your body and your mind might get a bit agitated. You might feel that you feel a bit more angry, more, ready to fight. So we want to cool the system. For that, we need herbs that are nervines that will help us to calm down, to feel a refreshing kind of feeling. So in Ayurveda, we always say that like increases like and opposites cancel each other or balance each other. Peppermint, you will know, is a very nice cooling type of herb. I love the smell. This is usual peppermint leaves. You can find it quite easily. And I would really recommend to have a pot of peppermint in your balcony or your garden. Don't plant it on the floor though, because peppermint spreads quite easily. So if you just want to keep it contained, have it on a container. This is pineapple mint. Look at the colors and smells gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. The leaf is a little bit more like soft, more fairy. It's wonderful. And this is lemon balm. Now, as you can see, between lemon balm and peppermint, there isn't much difference. The reason is because lemon balm is from the family of peppermint. And when you smell it, it has a beautiful, almost like citronella smell. But it's not citronella, and it's edible. So I take a big pot and I put all of those ingredients to boil. After a bit of boiling, I lower the fire and I put a stick of cinnamon in. Cinnamon is also an herbine. If you don't like cinnamon, you don't have to have cinnamon. But I think that it helps the flavor. So I just take the whole cinnamon stick and stick it in. And you could have it just like that. So once you simmer this for a bit to get all the goodness from the mint and the lemon balm and the cinnamon, then you cool it down, you can bottle it, and it will last a week or so in the fridge. And the good thing about this type of drinks is that they give you different levels of flavor in the mouth, which makes the drink a lot more satisfying. This is why we'd like perhaps alcohol, like wine or beer. It has a different type of levels of flavor, or other drinks that are non-alcoholic, like coffee and things like that, that gives you that satisfaction. So these type of drinks will give you that satisfaction. And if you like your drinks to be a little bit sweet, but you don't want to go for sugar, you could have, after you cook it, you switch it off when you filter the whole liquid. Once the liquid is still warm, you mix some honey on it, and it's delicious with honey. But one that I like to use in particular is licorice root. I bought this licorice root from Sri Lankan shop in Bromley, and well, in Bromley Road is closer to, is between Dunham and Bromley Road. Licorice root does not taste like the licorice sweet. I don't like the licorice sweet. Licorice root gives sweetness to the concoction, but at the same time is an astringent agent. So if you suffer from hay fever, if you suffer from a runny nose at this time of year, or any type of stomach upsets as well, licorice and the mint and lemon balm will be an absolute elixir for you. And you can have it at any time. It's best to have it during the day when the sun is high and the temperatures are hot. How much licorice? Well, for a pot like this, I have about, I reckon, 4 litres. Don't put a lot. I will put 1 teaspoon of licorice. So 1 teaspoon of licorice in 4 litres of lemon balm and mint concoction. And you mix it, and then you will filter it with a colander. You can have a tea towel or a muslin on top to make it finer. If you want to preserve the drink for a little bit longer, you can put a bit of citric acid, and that will preserve it for a bit longer and give a little bit of a lemon taste to it. But we already have lemon balm, so it goes very well. These type of drinks I am intending to have at the yoga retreat day. So if you don't know how to make it, if you can't get all the ingredients yourselves, then there is another reason to come to the yoga day. In the yoga retreat day, I'm gonna give you a brunch and I'm going to give you a late lunch. So this is all included and it's part of the experience, to experience it together. I'll run you quickly through the plan for the yoga retreat day. We'll get together around 9 in the Change in Minds house, which is in the High Street in Westgate, and we will have brunch in there. When we're having brunch, you're going to get to know each other, and you will have 2 options. You will have a vegetarian option and a non-vegetarian option for breakfast, but we're going to stay seasonal and healthy. Then for lunch, we're going to come, well, after the breakfast, sorry, let me not jump the gun. After the breakfast, we're going to go to do a quiz to find out your original body type and your current body type according to Ayurveda, so your unique making. Once we've done that, we're going to do a mindful walk toward the sea and have a nice stretch, yoga stretches by the sea. After that, we're going to walk again now to a community center in Westgate to do our summer solstice challenge. This will be a 90 minutes yoga challenge where we're going to attempt to do the 108 sun salutations. I will be preparing you before the day to do your sun salutations in the way that is best for you. After the summer solstice challenge, we're going to have lunch. You're going to have khichdi. Khichdi is an Ayurvedic recipe that is very good to reset the organism, to give you a cleanse. You will also have seasonal vegetables, all from this area in Westgate, and you will have time to chat with other people, etc. Once we finish lunch, we are going to have a closing, relaxing stretch and meditation. We might do a bit of dancing, we're going to see, and a closing ceremony. That will be our closing ceremony. So I hope to see you there. It's only, a few weeks away, and today is when the early bird ticket is ending. So don't delay it. Go and join me. You can find everything on my website, which is www.jyoga.co.uk, and you can also find it below. I will put the link. So I hope to see you there. This is Geny Caloisi from Che Yoga and Ayurveda Wellness. Namaste, sending you love. Enjoy your drinks, your summer drinks. Bye.